Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. Use the diagram to answer the question that follows. The eminent unit in terms of water conservation is represented by. The first figure represented there is the flame cell, followed by the kidney. Third is the nephridium. Fourth is the Malpighian tubule. The kidney is the most eminent unit in terms of water conservation. Okay, because the kidney conserves water by first diluting urine as it moves through the loop of Henle, and then concentrating urine in the distal tubules and collecting duct. Okay, good. Duct. Alright, and this, let's go through a diagram to see how that is accomplished. Okay, so by the descending loop of Henle being initially impermeable to sodium chloride and permeable to water, then becoming permeable to sodium chloride and impermeable to water in the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. Once the diluted urine enters the distal tubule, water is reabsorbed without sodium chloride creating a concentrated urine. Okay, good. So the answer option II, kidney, that is answer option D, is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.